Now we got the old green Ranger. Got the 6 FU Audio 15's on a DB drive, 3500. Got 4 C&Ds behind the seat. Got CT sounds. Hey, pop that seat. People got to see that shit, man. People got to see that shit. They don't believe that. I don't fucking believe it. Oh, that's pretty. CT sound 60.4. Where are they going to over here? Is that an S9?
Yeah, the S9 6C.
The S9 DB drive set. Goddamn dog, fucking son of a bitch. What is the alternator? 240? JS 240 alternator. Where the fuck is that? There it is. JS 240 amp alternator. And my dog over here, look at him. Yeah, he's like, I want to kill a motherfucker. Oh, interstate. In the back, what we're getting ready to fucking hook up is 5 more C&Ds. Because we need the fucking power, son. Hey, do you need anything else to fucking hook those up, by the way? You got wire and shit?
Yeah, I got that 1-aught, and I've got the terminals in my pocket.
Look at that guy, old Frankie. He's on Team Me. He's got the terminals in his pocket. We're going to go hook them bitches up at old Stoney's here shortly. But first I want to demo, because you can demo here better than we can at Stoney's.
Leave your door
Oh,
open.
shit.
Oh, no, you can get in, just leave your door open.
I want to get this cigarette in there, man. I got my vape with me. Hold on, find the song real quick.
Fast forward to it, or?
Is it better with this door open?
You'll feel it more. Pull your lever over.
He said pull my lever. Ah, there we go.
I'll fast forward to it a little bit.
What Pioneer is that?
6400.
6400 Pioneer. Well, on that motherfucker!
Makes the whole truck smell good.
Yeah.
I got a lot actually, but I'm still experimenting with them.
You tonight, hunt you down, eat you alive, just like animals, animals like
Aminos.
Maybe you think that you can hide, I can smell yourself from miles, just like animals.
I love this song. I don't care what people say. Fuck you.
Baby, I'm
My dog don't like it. He's over like, I'll kill you.
You little dumb ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. Taking the pic, then you post it up, thinking that it's making me sick. I see you calling, I be making it quick. I'ma answer that shit like I don't fuck with you. My guns, that's what made me rich. DJ Slow and Frozen.
Woo! Woo! God damn. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Yeah, I know, Mo. Yeah, I know. Bark at him. He's like, goddamn, I don't want that bass. I don't like that bass.
Alexa's more left that open.
This better than the driver door? Yeah. God damn. Can you see that?
Like I need a bake, well, neon icon, 57 city. ways. I just left neon rave, tiptoeing through my bad cave, 'cause tiptoeing in my Jordan, waking up at the crack of dawn, red camera cord. All my girlfriends gorgeous, you probably can't afford her. My Brazilian twins got flagged and deployed. This one's for them. Shrimp town. I'm rocking 7